Alright, what is up everybody? Just trying to get caught up on a bunch of old videos that I have gotten off track with. So this is just going to be me trying to play catch up right now. These videos, the next couple of videos, are just going to be like at least two for sure that I know of, or like from like 6 months ago. I'm just trying to get caught up on everything. Got really busy with work and I haven't done any videos in like 6 months, so that's not okay with me, and so I want to start doing more. But to get into what I'm doing now, I have to go back through some footage that I shot 6 months ago and try to get caught back up. There's going to be a huge time lapse though in what's going to come out in the next couple of days versus what's going on now. So I'm trying to get everything caught up. So with that being said, let's go check out what happened about 6 months ago.
Sorry I didn't show you any of that process. It was kind of a spur of moment buy, and kind of ended up sitting there talking to the guy for a while and didn't really want to pull out the camera and walk around. Yeah, you know. And I got a little overexcited with the new car, so I started working on it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do the walk around of it now. So, oh, here it is. I picked up a 2004 Nissan Xterra, 4-wheel drive. I'm not really sure what trim it is. I know it's in that weird 2-year gap. It's still the first gen, but it's the end of the first gen. Got it for a really great price. It was in a wreck, and one of the things I've always wanted one of these. These are like my favorite SUV off-road truck type things, and I've always wanted one. And when I seen this pop up on Craigslist for sale, somebody was getting rid of it, I had to take it. Obviously, they said they bought it from auction, so it has a salvage title, which I don't really care about because what I'm going to do with it's kind of a wash. So with what I'm going to do, if it gets ruined or any more destroyed after I rebuild it and get it looking a little nicer, then I'm 100% okay, because then I can just take whatever parts I put on it and move it to the next one and walk away from this chassis. So that'll be really nice. So as you guys can see, I've already pulled a lot of this off. It looks like they hit something on this side of the car and it kind of carried down into the rear. So I went ahead and took off the front fender, what was left of all the bumpers, the lights, took everything off. I need to get a new hood for it. And the driver's side's good. Doesn't look like anything's tweaked on the driver's side. Everything's still good there. And then pretty good, pretty straight. And then I ended up taking off the whole rear bumper because that was a little tweaked. This side was completely missing, and the headlights or the taillights broke. So I was just mocking it up with tape, but it was broke. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is getting a new metal section and then custom making sides for it. Have my buddy help me design a front and rear bumper for this thing. I'm gonna need to get a new hatch because it looked like whatever hit here, it looks like it tweaked the hatch, so I gotta get a new hatch for it too. So, and need another wheel because I think the rim was bent, or the axle shafts on the inside of this is bent, so I'll have to look at getting something like that replaced. But other than that, some little cosmetic things. Gotta clean the truck out, but I mean, all in all, it's pretty clean. I'm happy with it. So, nope, out. You know, I live in Montana. Might as well build something that can take me more than just around town. So yeah. So there's a new build. I'm really excited to get started working on this thing. I can't wait to at least just get it up and running and driving. I mean, it drives already, but just it needs an alignment, it needs a new rear axle, and I just can't wait to get it roadworthy so I can actually start driving it, and then we can start doing the fun stuff. custom bumpers, a lift kit, big wheels, and then we can start taking it off-roading. I think that's gonna be a whole new section of this channel that I wanna start, is to start doing some off-road, some backwoods adventures and things like that. So with this truck, we should be able to do it. So stay tuned for the Xterra build. I'm really excited for that, and I think that's kind of where I'm gonna focus most of my summer on, because I really need this thing running perfectly for when winter comes. So joys of living in Montana, but we're gonna make the best of it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, because I know you're gonna want to check that out in the next couple months, and we'll see you in the next one.